Hello, and welcome back to Visual Communication for Business Professionals course. In this module, we'll be taking a look at visual communication for data visualization. Today, we'll be discussing the importance of data visualization in business. As the world becomes increasingly data-driven, the ability to effectively communicate and make decisions based on data has become more critical than ever before. To begin, let's talk about what data visualization is. Data visualization is the process of using charts, graphs, and other visual aids to present data in a way that is easily understandable and actionable. It's a powerful tool that allows business to quickly and efficiently communicate complex information. Take a look at this example of a bar graph. By using different colors and labels, it is easy to see which product categories are performing well and which ones need improvement. This type of visualization allows decision makers to quickly identify areas for growth and development. Another example is a heat map, which can help identify patterns in customer behavior. By using colors to represent the frequency of a particular action, businesses can quickly identify which areas of their website or app are most popular and which ones are not. So why is data visualization important in business? First and foremost, it allows businesses to make informed decisions based on accurate data. By presenting data in a clear and concise manner, decision makers can quickly identify trends, patterns, and areas for improvement. Secondly, data visualization can help businesses communicate complex information to stakeholders in a way that is easily understandable. This is especially important in today's fast-paced business environment where decisions need to be made quickly. However, it is important to remember that not all data visualization is created equal. One common mistake is using too much data or cluttering the visualization with unnecessary information. This can make it difficult for decision makers to understand the key takeaways. Another mistake is using the wrong type of visualization for the data. For example, using the pie chart to represent a large data set can be confusing and make it difficult to compare data points. To ensure effective data visualization, there are a few best practices to keep in mind. First, be sure to choose the right type of visualization for the data you're presenting. Second, keep the visualization simple and easy to understand. Third, use clear labels and colors to highlight important information. In conclusion, data visualization is a critical tool for businesses looking to make informed decisions based on accurate data. By presenting data in a clear and concise manner, decision makers can quickly identify trends and areas for improvement. By following best practices and avoiding common mistakes, businesses can ensure that their visualizations are effective and impactful. Thank you for joining us today. We hope you found this lesson helpful in your pursuit of effective visual communication in the business world. See you next time.